Ever feel like your piano playing sounds a little bit choppy or stiff? Let's get into 5 beginner-friendly piano exercises to help you play much more fluidly. Exercise number 1 is to do hyper-legato scales. So if you don't know what legato is to play smooth and connectedly, like this. So in exercise 1, we want to do legato in a really extreme way, where we're doing something like this. Where you're pressing each key, and you're only lifting up once the next key is completely pressed. So in this way, press the first one, next one press the second one, then lift up the first one, next one, lift up, next one, lift up. Make sure you do this right. Press, then lift up, press, then lift up, press, then lift up, and finally last one, press and lift up. You can use any scale you like. I used the C major scale there just for easy sake. Try this one, it's harder than you think. Exercise number 2 is thumb under drills. This is where we're gonna, again, use a scale. Let's use the C major scale for this one. And we're gonna only use fingers 1 and fingers 2, like this. Left hand looks like this. 2, 1. A lot of unevenness and choppiness in playing tends to happen in the thumb tucks. So this exercise really hones in on the thumb tuck and really makes sure that that part is evened out. Try it. By the way, if you find these exercises useful, I've put together a free essential piano roadmap that you can download for free via the link below. It'll show you how to assess your skills, what pieces to play, and what techniques to focus on as a next step. Exercise 3 is 5-finger runs with gentle wrist motions. Let's start with right hand first. You're gonna place your hand in any C position, and you're gonna do this. You're gonna go up and down, and at the same time, utilize your wrist, right, to kind of do a bit of a circle. And to stress test your technique, I recommend you, in this exercise, to actually go a little bit faster, such as this. See if you can get that very, very crisp and even sound. Digga, 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 digga. By stress testing this kind of speed, you'll kind of learn to use the correct kind of muscles. It kind of goes in a circle. Digga, 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 digga. Try it with both right hand and also left hand. Exercise number 4 is Hanon number 1. Okay, if you haven't already started on Hanon, this is the video to push you to start on your Hanon practice. Hanon number 1 sounds a little bit like this. In the previous exercise, we talked about a slight wrist motion, so I don't know if you can see that I'm doing this as well in Hanon. If you've already learned Hanon number 1, great. Let's try to incorporate some of that wrist rotation into it. If you haven't already learned it, I will put a link in the description for you to either buy or to download the PDF of Hanons. And last but not least, exercise number 5 are flowing broken chords. So you would do something like this. You would put your hands in, let's say, the C position, starting on C. We're going to do it in this order: C, G, A, F. So C, G, A, F. Okay, where the bottom note is the alphabet that I'm saying. Let's say in C you would do this. Okay, and then you'll go to G position. Next you go to A position. And then to F position. Okay, so this is the flowing broken chord exercise where you basically try to not stop as you flow through these chords. And always keep in mind the legato, okay? We did a hyper-legato at the start, exercise number 1. The legato skills should now translate into this one. You don't have to do hyper-legato for this, but you do have to make sure everything is connected and joined. Once you master the smoothness and the legato-ness of this, you can then add a bit of pedal. to create an even more fluid sound. But remember, legato techniques should always come first before you then put on pedal. Don't let pedal be the cover up for your lack of legato technique. These exercises aren't about speed, they're about creating flow and musicality. So make sure you always practice slow first, get that evenness, get that clarity before you then upgrade your speed. If you like these exercises and you want a really concrete, comprehensive step-by-step plan to upgrade your piano playing, definitely check out my Keys to Mastery course. I'm opening up the course again, so make sure you check out the link in the description below. In this channel, we've done a lot of YouTube videos, but if you want a really progressive and step-by-step guide on how to increase in your piano technique, upgrade your music theory, and learn to sight read and play many pieces, you must check out this Keys to Mastery course. Lots of great reviews. I guarantee you will find this useful. What are some of your piano questions? What are some of your piano problems? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.